Today we have an if-else syntax debug. The author has tried to make an if-else statement, but apparently it isn't working. So we should return false if the condition is 0 or less. And in all the other cases, we should return the Boolean value true. So first of all, we have to remove the parentheses from the if statement. They don't belong there. Then we can use the condition and place it after the if statement. And this basically means if the health is below 0, we should return false. But we should return false if the argument is 0. So we should place an equal sign here as the operator. Yeah. And the Boolean value is written in the wrong way, so we have to change that. We should return false with a capital F. As you can see in the highlighting, this is a Boolean value and not just an argument. True should be written with a capital T. And let's test it. And there we go. And of course, we can use a one-liner as well. Return the statement health is, let's see, more than 0. That should return true. And all the other cases, it should return false. So we can use the more than operator, more than 0. If the argument is 5, it will return true. And in all the other cases, it will return false. So let's test it again. And there we go. Hope this video has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.